dropping high water. Hey guys, I didn't see you sitting there. What's up guys, what's poppy, what's up, stop, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, shut up bro. So today guys, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm a face the type of video we're gonna do. So today I'm gonna do an Instagram control my life for 24 hours. So yesterday I put up some poll on Instagram asking some, see what I go on, asking some series of questions and stuff like that. So the most voted, stop it guys, shut up. The most voted answer one that are the one who wins. So we're gonna do that today. But before we jump in the video guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, follow me on my Instagram at I am Shawna, because that's how I ask most of my questions I do on YouTube. Also guys, links gonna be down in the description and on the screen. So oh my gosh, so we're just gonna get to it right now. I don't get me not even wake up good or nothing, but today is Sunday and a whole lot of things gotta be done. So I just have to just do that video real quick and something like that. So I'm gonna see the first set of poll question was, I'm gonna go on my Instagram. Shut up, what did I pussy? Shut up bro. Okay, may I screenshot them up. The first set of poll question was morning shower or brush teeth and wash face. 64% say morning shower, 36% say brush teeth and wash face. So we're gonna do that right now and come back. If you never want to bathe so early, I don't know how I'm gonna put up that, because I just what time. The pussy and I ain't bad enough, brother. I just 7:45. I never want to bathe so early. Today is Sunday, everybody I go get up and do things, and me I go to bed early. That makes sense? Anyway, so we're gonna do that and come. Yeah guys, as you can see, I could have never expect to be there and show no, so we'll do that already. So I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face. I could have washed my face over there, but I just want more minutes. So I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face on camera, even though that never win, but that I have to do. That one, but I want to walk with stink mouth. So yeah. The next poll. Yeah guys, so the next poll was finish the rest of the video. That after I'm sure I finish the rest of the video in a dress or shorts and blouse. 49% say dress, 51% say blouse. So that's what we're about to do right now. I'm gonna put on one short on blouse and finish the rest of the video. Yeah, so 51% say blouse and shorts. And then dress up now because you had me in her. So I'm gonna put on blouse. On the door watching blouse, it tear. Those say nuh-uh. I'm sure that's it. Blouse and shorts. So right now, me I go do the what for breakfast? Egg and bread or cornflakes. 75% say egg and bread. 25% say cornflakes. Me did that open the say cornflakes because oh my god. But these just want cornflakes today. But we gotta do what I said. But before I'm gonna further, I'm gonna do that one here first. So I'm gonna say how I'm gonna do my ear. Half up, half down, or leave down. 61% say half up, half down. 39% say leave down. So me I go half up, half down. So let's do that right now. So what up is up? So I'm a standing tripod. I'm gonna talk to you and just do what I say, which is Kimon. So I'm gonna do, as you know, so my hair already braided. So I'm gonna do that open the set down. I'm gonna just left it down. So but I'm gonna say half up, half down. So half up, half down win. I guess I forgot to do it. So Kim,
what am I trying to?
yeah, answer Mr. Strong. You know your wife for? No bother. Imagine I want conversation I want to start today, you know?
Stay on.
But here we are, ancestral.
I'm hungry.
So I mean make it hungry in the kitchen, Nicky.
We play phone and go business.
No, a joke. You're hungry. Wait, let me get something for you. Half up, half down. So here one. And then I have a beef panics and came. So oh, that's a good look. That can't look good.
Your followers spoke and you better answer. That's the one that's your.
That not look good. Them say half up, half down. How me I gonna do that?
Will you stop moving so much?
But how me I gonna do that?
Do it like that.
Remember, I don't really know how to do Eddie and Kim.
Put one elastic band around and me have a lot.
Kim.
Go in the room for me, follow you. What you know? Okay, half up, half down can mean just that, which you've done
but this
right
not
there.
look good. This look plain. This look plain. Alright, let me put. Right now, I do my frontal first.
Started. I wasn't expecting the end part of that.
I do my frontal. Okay, so when you do your frontal, you need some ear out and some gel and one toothbrush, which is no longer your toothbrush. Listen, I'm not the best at doing hair, okay? You see my face in that glass also?
Which is why I'm holding it like this.
Oh. I'm not the best at doing hair, that's why my hair always braided or catch up, because I don't know nothing about hairstyle, guys. And that is why I don't have a child up to this day, because you can't afford to make the child look, you know, because them ear not done. So that's just not gonna happen. So if you wanna see my head, please don't say nothing, guys. I wanna ask for you. When they did say down, alright, may I check too much? It would have been down. But then I ask you half up, half down. Catch them after see my lace front? Look on the baby ear them. Look on the baby ear them, my lace front came, talk it through.
They asked for it, they got it.
Yes, sir. Anyways, back to this half up, half.
You can't just leave it like that?
Why? Kim, are you listen, me I do my people them say. Sorry. Okay, so maybe
you know your people never tell us I'm if you want the camera though.
That's it. Kim, you can't, you know, you
turn on that, me say that? No, I don't feel hungry. That works. Look.
Nobody go like you contribute to telling me off of them ear, Kim. It's me first come up with it. You come tell me that works like you did tell me so from the beginning.
You know me I come out?
I draw. Alright, it works.
Me I come out.
Kim, me know say it works.
I pay abuse me again today?
Kim, me know say it works. You are going to find out we contribute to the hairstyle. Stop man, stop. Kim, it works.
You know you can look at your subscribers from the mirror, right, without turning around. Make eye contact. There we go. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Do it. Yeah!
Yes, guys. So now, half up, half down. When the dog come for me, now I'm going to make the breakfast. Egg and bread wing. Give me one breakfast.
I want to tell you, say, I'm hungry bad.
Whew. Eh? Yeah, guys. So, I'm going to say egg and bread wing. So, I'm finna look about some egg and bread. I'm gonna tell you this. Everybody eating something different. So if me do it one way, please not tell me say I know some egg fry, I know some frank fry, I know some bread fry. If me feel like fry the bread, make me fry the bread, okay? Thank you. So I'm gonna fry 3 eggs because me a big man, so I eat big things. A joke. I'm gonna fry 3 eggs because you know today I'm looking to slap a birthday, so that's like, you know, get like a breakfast and something. And then Kim on fair agree to say 1 egg too. So that show. Yes, sir. So let's do that real quick. I go fry the egg real quick when I come back. And when I done, I come back and show now something because I can't put it over the fire. I can't put the phone over the fire and them something. So when I finish, I show now the end product. So in the meanwhile, I must say, my next poll was do makeup or natural face, and everybody vote back. 57% said natural face, 43% said do makeup. Shut up, puss. So natural face is this. No makeup, no nothing. Natural face and I get today. So meanwhile, my next one say expose my last WhatsApp DM or expose my call log. I wanna say expose my log. 70% say expose WhatsApp, 30% say expose call log. So there go my WhatsApp. That's the last person I text. Whenever did I really text about no? Nothing entertaining like that, but you know, last person I text was Cola from Cola and Asha. Make sure to go and subscribe to her. So yeah. The next one says tea or juice. 70% say juice, 30% say tea. So I'm gonna make juice for myself and make tea for my little sister because her birthday and something. So yeah. Soon come back to one again.